Dragonfire Tools, quality, affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio.
Here on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, we always show you products that make your vehicle cooler, make your life more fun. Well, here's one that's actually going to change a lot of lives, Dana. How has the Anywhere Trike made it easier for a lot of folks to get around?
We have such great customers, and they're anywhere from 80 years young and down, actually older. But this bike is geared for a senior community, but what we found is it's geared for anyone who might have any sort of stability issues or just balance issues. As you can easily see, it's very sturdy because of the trike construction. It's got those 4-inch fat tires. So it's not only for someone who wants to just get out and cruise, you can also have a lot of fun in this.
Well, it's electric and it really has quite a boost to it. How can you adjust the power settings?
Well, whenever you get on, you can either decide that I don't want to worry with the gears, or you can just, and if you do that, you're just going to push this. You're going to leave it like in level 1, and you can just use throttle the whole time if you want to, or you can pedal to get a good workout. And then if you want to do maximum workout, you can use a combination of both between the gears and the pedal assist.
So this is going to help you get around, you know, a lot of folks maybe on the beach or down in the villages. That's the perfect kind of place for something like this. How far can I go on it, and how do I get home?
Well, it's 31 miles range for your battery, and that is if you are going complete throttle. You're not pedal assisting, you're not doing anything like that. Now, if you want to prolong the battery, then you can use your gears, and learning to use an electric trike, you'll learn those tricks. A lot of people carry their chargers with them. It's a simple little 110 plug. Stop and have coffee, charge your battery, come back home.
Sounds like the perfect plan. And what kind of speeds are we talking here? This isn't like a high-performance bike.
So it's rated to top out at 14.5 miles per hour because this isn't really geared for speed. Our customers do go faster than that, but we rate it for that so that it's good for all national parks, things like that. But what this really is designed to do is to go up those hills. We have people in Colorado, everywhere else. Steep inclines are an issue, and this has got the power to do it. So you can pretty much take it anywhere. We literally have a customer who has a store manager who has agreed to let him bring this into the grocery store, and he does his shopping with it.
So instead of one of the mobility scooters you can borrow, you just take this on in.
It's way cooler, right?
It does say Anywhere Trike on it, so you can go from the trail into the grocery store. What are some of the features that allow you to take this onto a trail and it's stable for you?
Well, first of all, these tires, whenever you've got a 4-inch fat tire like this, they take various amounts of pressure. So whether you're going to be in the snow, in the sand, on rocks, cobblestone, trails like you're talking about, you can learn how to let out the pressure or add the pressure for whatever you need.
It's got a 2-year warranty, and this thing is going to last you a long, long time. It'll take you anywhere, just like the name says. It's called the Anywhere Trike. You can find it at anywherebikes.com. Joe, we have seen here at New Hampshire Oil how you start with a new vehicle and protect it from rust when it's right out of the wrapper. And we've also seen how you take an older vehicle that may have some rust on it already and how you eliminate that rust, and also how you prevent it from being rusted in the future. But what if you have some scaling and a little more rust on the vehicle? How do you get more aggressive with it?
All right, for the customer who says, hey, I wish I had started this from day one. I didn't. We've gone several years now. I'm ready to begin an oil-based rust-proofing maintenance program, but I want to be aggressive. So what we'll do is take the vehicle in. First, you want to inspect it. Have your mechanic inspect it. If it's structurally sound, then bring it in. We'll descale the rust. We'll bring it down to a surface rust, okay? We'll hit it with 2 coats of our rust converter, which will neutralize it, turn it black, and then we will spray it with oil. You come back every year after that, as you would our regular oil maintenance program. And it is a way to kind of kill most of the rust before you begin the oil-based rust-proofing maintenance plan. It is our most aggressive approach.
How much R&D has gone into this product?
Boy, we've been doing it for 10 years, and we do close to 3,000 vehicles a year. Out of those 3,000, I would say at least 20% of them are restoration. So we've had our hands in this for quite a while, and we've really refined the product. We also developed our own rust converter, so it's made to work in conjunction with our oil.
how important is it for you to listen to feedback from your customers when they come back?
That is as critical as listening to the viscometer in my lab. This is the real life lab for us right here. Real world laboratory testing. We have actually many customers that come in here. We ask them to allow us to monitor their vehicles, and we try different things out. So it's been very useful for us.
Well, the restoration is proof that an ounce of prevention is worth about 4,000 pounds of cure.
Or $55,000.
There you go. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings right after this.